Right, we're inside the Atlas. It's got a wooden effect floor here. This is the kitchen. There's a washing machine in here. There we go, nice big cooker. It's quite a small kitchen here, but it's quite nice. Fridge freezer. And opposite the kitchen's your dining area. Now this is double glazed with gas warm air heating, it's not gas central heating. There's your lounge. Again, nice comfy seats. Let's walk over into the corner. You can have a pan round here. The two-seater sofa there as well. I mean, don't get me wrong, this isn't a bad van, but the Vogue is, well, the Willoughby Vogue is a Willoughby Vogue. There's a spare mattress there. I don't know what it's doing there, but... And this vent here is for your gas warm air heating at the bottom there. There's your dining area. And your fireplace. Just inside the entrance door here, you have a small toilet with a hand basin. This is just inside the entrance door. So that's the kitchen, lounge and dining area. And I shall go to the bedrooms and do another video. Cheers, bye.